Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jim from Everything Happens For Us, and today we're breaking down the 5 essential tips every new affiliate needs to know to succeed in affiliate marketing. Listen, I get it. Affiliate marketing can be a bit overwhelming when you're first starting out. There's so much information out there and everyone's telling you to do a million different things. It's easy to get lost in the noise, but here's the thing. You don't need to be an expert to make money with affiliate marketing. You just need to focus on the fundamentals. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, research, research, research. Don't rush into a program without understanding the product, the company, and the affiliate network. Take your time. I see this mistake all the time. People jump into affiliate programs without doing their due diligence. They see a product with a high commission rate or a catchy sales page, and they're ready to start promoting it without even knowing what they're selling. This is a recipe for disaster. You need to know your product inside and out. What are its features and benefits? Who is the target audience? What are their pain points? You also need to research the company behind the product. Are they reputable? Do they have a good track record? What do their customer reviews look like? Finally, don't forget to research the affiliate network. What are their commission rates? When and how do they pay out? What kind of support do they offer affiliates? By taking the time to do your research, you'll be setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. Trust me, guys, a little bit of research up front can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Tip number 2, start small. Focus on one program and product to build your confidence before expanding. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer number of affiliate programs and products out there. You might be tempted to sign up for a dozen different programs and try to promote everything under the sun. But trust me, this is a mistake. When you're first starting out, it's important to keep things simple. Choose one program and one product that you're genuinely interested in and that you believe in. This will make it easier for you to create high quality content and promote it effectively. Once you've had some success with one program, you can then start to branch out and add more products and programs to your portfolio. But don't try to do too much too soon. It's better to master one thing at a time than to spread yourself too thin and end up failing at everything. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small, build a solid foundation, and then gradually expand your reach. Tip number 3, create valuable content. Your audience cares about what you can do for them. Make your content educational, entertaining, or inspiring. Look, at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is all about providing value to your audience. If you're not creating content that your audience finds valuable, they're not going to stick around, and they're certainly not going to click on your affiliate links. So how do you create valuable content? It's simple. Put yourself in your audience's shoes. What are they struggling with? What are their pain points? What kind of information would be helpful to them? Once you have a good understanding of your audience's needs, you can start creating content that addresses those needs. This could involve writing blog posts, creating videos, recording podcasts, or even just sharing helpful tips on social media. The key is to be helpful, informative, and engaging. Don't just create content for the sake of creating content. Make sure it's something that your audience will actually find valuable. That's how you build trust and credibility. And ultimately, that's how you make money with affiliate marketing. Tip number 4, be authentic and transparent. Share your journey, your struggles, and your wins. People connect with real stories. In the age of social media, it's easy to get caught up in the highlight reel. Everyone's trying to present the perfect image of themselves online. But the truth is, nobody's perfect. We all have our struggles, our failures, and our imperfections. And you know what? People can see right through a facade. They can tell when you're not being genuine. That's why it's so important to be authentic and transparent in your affiliate marketing. Don't be afraid to share your story. Tell people about your journey, your struggles, and your successes. Be honest about your experiences with the products you're promoting. If you love a product, rave about it. If you don't like something, say so. People are more likely to trust you and connect with you if they feel like they know you. And when people trust you, they're more likely to buy from you. So be yourself, be real, and be authentic. It's the best way to build a loyal following and succeed in affiliate marketing. Finally, tip number 5, track and analyze your results. Adjust your strategy based on what's working. This is key to your growth. Affiliate marketing is not a set it and forget it kind of business. You can't just throw some links up on your website or social media and expect the money to roll in. You need to constantly be tracking your results and making adjustments to your strategy based on what's working and what's not. The good news is that there are plenty of tools and resources available to help you track your results. Most affiliate networks provide detailed reporting that shows you how many clicks you're getting on your links, how many conversions you're generating, and how much commission you're earning. Once you have this data, you can start to analyze it and look for patterns. Are there certain types of content that are performing better than others? Are there certain products that are converting better than others? Are there any particular traffic sources that are driving the most sales? By understanding your data, you can start to optimize your strategy for better results. You can double down on what's working, ditch what's not, and continually improve your approach to affiliate marketing. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep learning, keep growing, and keep providing value to your audience. If you have any tips or questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out my other videos for more insights and strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest Gear Grabber content. See you next time.